Started with this with a viral recipe from Bon Appetit Your Majesty. I am also a K-drama lover, so this is Pajeon for you.
Looks familiar? This is the dish you have seen in Bon Appetit Your Majesty. So this is the recipe of Pajeon, and finally I prepared this recipe. Thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima's YouTube channel. So finally this Korean recipe, I cannot wait. You know, it's really very simple and yet very tasty. Just have a second bite. It's so yummy and it's very easy to prepare. By the way, I share the recipe of this sauce also. Just go through the recipe and enjoy Pajeon.
Let's make the yummy sauce. So first 2 tablespoons of soya sauce dark, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Replace the hot Korean gochugaru pepper flakes. I use this red chilli powder, and I use some scallion and spring onion greens and the white portion for the sauce. It's very easy and yummy, I'm telling you. And now sprinkle with white sesame seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add the chopped scallions and spring onion greens, and this is almost done. Mix it properly and your sauce is ready. You have to prepare the sauce before you start the Pajeon. Enjoy the sauce, and I'm going for the next step. You need a lot of scallion and 2 eggs, of course, all-purpose flour and rice flour. You can use potato starch also. Need water. Crack open 2 eggs one by one and make it a smooth batter. You don't need to add any salt in this batter. Some red chili slice, that is optional. Cut the scallions like this and it is ready to cook. And a pro cooking tips: if you cut the scallion, the white portion like this, it will cook faster and it will be softer. So try this. Now it's all-purpose flour I'm taking. I don't have potato starch, so I'm using rice flour for the crispiness. Add some salt to taste. It is according to your taste bud, add that. And have to add cold water, not the normal room temperature water. The cold water make it crispier. Mix, 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 and here is your consistency of this batter. And now you have to heat a skillet, but I am using patri tawa. The bigger the surface is flat, it will be better to cook. It's easy to cook basically. After the oil spray, the skillet or tawa is heated, and now I will place this scallions like this. Once the crackling sound is here, so scallion is almost ready. Now I will pour this batter, the white batter, in this way. Now when it's half cooked, I have to pour this egg batter like this. You have to remember the movie also, and I forgot to record the flip, so I'm showing you after flipping it will look like this. I was super excited after watching this movie and this recipe. This is the first time I was trying and recording at the same time, so I forgot to record the flip as I said. So after flipping, you have to pour this egg wash or egg batter like this, so both sides will be cooked, and after cooking it will look like this, exactly like this. So there is no edit, you can see. And I am using this red chili because in the main recipe it is there, and I am not using the Korean gochugaru, which is a spicy pepper. That's why I am using this. And finally it is done. Have to press like this always, otherwise it will be undercooked. And here is your Pajeon. I am going to enjoy it. Hope you all enjoy this Korean recipe with me, and in future I will share lots of Korean and Chinese food also. Till then, stay tuned with Madhurima's Kitchen in Google, Facebook, YouTube and Instagram. And till then, bon appetit.